21. Parrot's beak flowers are unique, resembling a bird's beak, but wild specimens are extremely rare. 20. The middle-mist red camellia is extremely rare and extinct in the wild, with only 2 known plants left in existence. 19. The queen of the night cactus blooms only at night and withers by dawn. Native to Mexico and South America. 18. The Catherine wheel pincushion is a beautiful flower from South Africa and is endangered. 17. The ghost orchid has white flowers and no leaves, thriving by photosynthesizing through its roots. It's endangered in Florida and Cuba. 16. Darwin's slippers are rare, resembling slippers or even penguins, and often sold as counterfeit seeds. 15. The jade vine, native to the Philippines, produces striking turquoise flowers resembling claws. 14. Lady's slipper orchids are rare, difficult to find, and known for their striking appearance. 13. Purple passion flowers bloom for just 1 day, eventually turning into sweet passion fruit if left to mature. 12. The Himalayan poppy blooms with beautiful true blue flowers and is hard to grow from seed. 11. The chocolate cosmos, native to Mexico, has dark red blooms in a distinct chocolate scent. 10. Bleeding hearts produce large pink flowers resembling hearts and thrive in shaded forest areas. 9. The crown imperial features stunning downward-facing blooms and is native to the Middle East and South Asia. 8. Pitcher plants, native to North America, are carnivorous and have funnel-shaped leaves that attract insects. 7. Sea holly produces spiky blue flowers resembling thistles and is often used in floral arrangements. 6. Calla lilies are elegant flowers with cup-shaped blooms, popular in bouquets and long-lasting in vases. 5. Bird of paradise flowers look like exotic birds, and while they can be grown indoors, they bloom with difficulty. 4. Ginger flowers are visually captivating with unique shapes, some resembling beehives or spikes. 3. The anthurium, with its colorful spade-like leaves, is used in bouquets. The flowers are small and long-lasting. 2. The lobster claws flower grows in tropical climates and features unique cup-shaped bracts that catch water. 1. The corpse flower is one of the largest flowers in the world, blooming for a short period and emitting a stench to attract pollinators. 0. The stinking corpse lily, the largest flower on earth, emits the smell of rotting flesh to attract flies for pollination.